Today we will introduce Nilight 4 PCS LED strobe lights. Let's take a look together now. Open the box, you can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. 4 PCS double raw 24 LED flashing lights. One PC control switch. One PC main control box. One PC cigarette lighter plug. One PC power wire. One PC double-sided sticker for switch. 4 PCS silicone mats. 3 PCS mounting screws for controller. 8 PCS mounting screws and 8 PCS mounting nuts.